First, tries to cut the data equally in half. So we can either use 2 points, we have dots on the 2 dots on the top, 3 on the bottom, or we can use these 3, which I think this one's the better fit. Through on the data, your goal is through the points. So I went through these 2 dots. Any questions? Pick these 2 because I have 2 on top, 2 on the bottom, with a third one barely hitting the line. It was just a better fit. Okay, next one. Do we want to try, do we think it could be this line or this line? One or 2? Huh? No, one. This is 2. Which one? Yeah, I would go with 2 as well. Again, that point right here is going to end up with a line more than the point would if we went with the other one. Okay. Or here. It's 3 dots, but does it cut our data in half? We would have 3 on top and 1 on bottom. What do we call that? Half? No, so we gotta drop it. So we'll drop it here. Follows the pattern. Then it splits the data in half. We good? Questions? So these sentences need to be, so it's part of the answers. I'm only going to make it once. Split the data in half. Alright. Write the equation of the line in each graph and line intercept form of intercept becomes y equals mx plus b. B is equal to where it crosses the y-axis, y-intercept 0, 3. Do we do our slope triangle? Words rise over run. Six. What's our run? Our count the boxes, not the lines. So this would be 6 divided with so it would be y equals 3x plus 3. What does b equal? B is the -2. What's our rise? What's our rise? You don't apply negative until the end. 2 over 2 goes into 4 how many times? 2 goes into 2 how many times? And this is going down negative. So we get y equals negative half x minus 2. See, where is our line crossing the y-axis? Is it defined? Vertical lines are undefined. What do we call horizontal lines? 0. This is a 0 slope. Not right now. So with a 0 slope, we know it's y equals horizontal lines equals 0 slope. So 0 x minus 2. We don't necessarily write 0x, it's going to be y equals 2. Horizontal lines are going to be y equals number, vertical lines are going to be x equals number. Question 2. We good? Number 3. Find the slope in the units for the slope for each half. We're going to be using y minus y1 minus x1, where our film is our x's column y's. So this is 1, x2, y1, y2. We get 22 minus 11 over 10 minus 5. What's 22 minus 11? And 10 minus 5? Can 5 go into 11 evenly or 11 go into 5? No, so we'd leave it at meter per second. Okay, B, same thing, x1, x2, y1, y2. So we get 22,500 minus 1,800 over 50 minus 4. We're at 20,700 over 46, just $450 per week. We good? Zero, zero. So we have our x's, our ones, and our twos. So we would do 0 minus 300 over 0 minus 5. It's negative 300 over negative 5. We'll give you 60 miles per hour. This is to show that doesn't matter what you call one minus 0 over 2 minus 0. Get 30 over 2. I get 15 miles per gallon. Questions on 3? We're good? Alright, I'm going to just to remind you how, and then you're going to do the rest on your own. So number 4A, we get over, or 3 times plus 8 is 18. We're going to talk to the parentheses. What's happening between that 3 and the parentheses? What's the operation? Multiply. If it's not, if a number is right next to something, it's multiplying. I'm multiplying is dividing. So x plus 8 equals box our x again. out of adding 8. Subtract it. Get 6 minus 8, we get x equals negative 2. Okay, we have 15 minutes left. So, more than enough time to get as many of these done as you can. You can work with a partner, but do the rest on your own.